Hey guys, it's Leah and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making these really cute Christmas ornaments with supplies completely from the Dollar Tree. Let's get started. Here's what I purchased. I got these clear ornaments and these sell out really fast at my Dollar Tree. And then I got a few more sheets of these vinyl decals and a plaid scarf. First, I spray painted the bulbs with white spray paint. The top of these ornaments screws off, so I unscrewed them and then set it on the top so I could spray every angle of the ornament. If you can find ornaments that are already white, you can skip this step, but I've never been able to find them at my local Dollar Tree. Then I cut out each letter from the sticker sheet and started putting together different Christmassy words. I'd recommend cutting out the letters as close as you can to the edge. I didn't do this so you can see a bit of the sticker when you place it on, but from a distance and when the ornament is hanging, you really can't tell it's a sticker. I cut the plaid scarf into sections. I thought that I might use these as a bow, but with the frayed edges, I really wasn't liking how it looked. So instead, I tied a little twine in a bow and then used the plaid strips as a hanger on top. And here's the finished ornaments. Thanks for watching. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and then I'll see you next project.